Hey everybody, it's 123 Mr. B here, making a quick video about our work versus our thoughts when it comes to math. And the reason I make this up is because a lot of people will do something like this and think that they're on the right track. Watch this, 1 plus 2 equals 3, I can add 2 more and get 5, add 10 more and get 15, and so forth. And they say, well, yeah, it's true, 1 plus 2 is 3, and if I add 2, I get 5, and if I add 10, I get 15. Now that, technically how I spoke it, is true. But what's here, believe it or not, is false. And how come it's false? Well, let's just do the math. 1 plus 2, that's 3. Okay, equal sign comes down. 3 plus 2, that's 5. Equal sign comes down. 5 plus 10, that's 15. Equal sign comes down, 15. Well, 3 is not equal to 5, clearly. 5 is not equal to 15, clearly. And 15 is equal to 15 here. So we got 1 out of the 3 is true. But the aggregate statement, meaning the statement of the whole thing as it's written in one singular line, is still false. And that's where people fall apart. They just bounce through their ideas, and keep going and going and going, and this is what happens. Now the way to remedy that, the way to fix that so you never get that problem ever, is to ensure that each line itself is a precise truth, and if you're going to add or subtract or do something else to that line, so you're going to do something, okay? You're going to start on a fresh line so that you don't have this situation. And here's what it could look like, as simple as this. 1 plus 2 equals 3. That's truth. Now we're going to move to a fresh line. 3 plus 2 equals 5. That's true. And we're going to move to a fresh line. 5 plus 10 equals 15. That's truth. So I've made 3 consecutive truths. Each line, that line is true, that line is true, and that line is true. And because they're spaced out one on top of the other, it's clearly indicated that I'm talking about a new idea each time. It's a new idea, a new idea, new idea. So I know that even though my thoughts were clear in how I was talking this out, my entire conclusion became false because I crammed one idea into one line and I did not separate those individual truths. Here, I've separated the truths, thus making my entire statement a truth, a truth, a truth, all together, reflecting truth. Okay? Hope this helps. Check out the next vid.